Can I show your smiling face?
Sure.
Are you sure? Because I don't have to.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Because so far all I have is the mask. All right.
Okay.
I mean, I want you to be okay.
I'm okay with it.
Okay, you're on now. All right. Well, you seem happy for somebody that's at the doctor's office.
I know.
So tell me what's going on.
So I've had a sore throat since Monday.
And today's Thursday, 3 days.
My kids have had it also in between, so we've got to take care of them first.
I see. Okay. So Mama went last? Is that what happened? Okay.
Yeah.
And have you had fevers or chills?
I had fever on Tuesday, and I've just been taking ibuprofen.
Okay. And any difficulty swallowing?
Yes.
Yeah, it hurts to swallow. Have you tried any of the Chloroseptic or stuff like that over the counter?
No, I've been kind of rinsing my mouth and stuff, but nothing.
You can always use that Chloroseptic. It helps too.
Okay. I didn't know.
All right, so we're going to take a look in your throat, and then we're going to tell you what the swab showed. So hang on just a second. I didn't give you a nickname. I'm going to call you Sunny.
All right.
Okay, Sunny, open up big and say ah.
Ah.
I'm going to do right there. Say ah big.
Ah.
Okay, that's your throat. Okay. I'm going to stop. You got me to come hold some light. Say ah for us.
Ah.
Oh, can't see. There you go.
I'm trying to punch her with the thing. Oh, I see.
Yeah, that's how red and irritated the
And puss pockets.
Yeah, yep.
Okay.
So you want to know what the good news is?
What's the good news?
You have strep.
She knew that.
The good news is it's going away really soon.
The good news is you get a shot in the buccal.
Oh, yay.
That's the official medical term for the hip.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, a little shot in the buccal, and I'll put you on some pills to take, and you can do some saltwater gargles.
Okay.
And we should have you, back to full time being a mom here.
Oh, yay.
Just what that it never stops, does
No,
it?
it
It never really stops. I know. I shouldn't even have
No
said
sick
that.
days there.
No sick days for moms. Okay, yeah, but we should get you feeling better pretty quick. But the saltwater gargles definitely helpful. Okay. And you can alternate Tylenol and Advil, but don't take any aspirin. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thanks for sharing with us.
Thank you.
I decided your nickname was Sunny, so thanks for sharing with us, Sunny.
No problem. Thank you.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.